Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do my makeup because I'm finally going out for the first time in forever. So I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. I'm going to start with this GlamGlow Eye Cream. So I'm going to meet a new friend that I have been talking to online. And we're just going to have a beer on a patio, just us. So I'm really excited. I really have been going absolutely nowhere except the gym lately, so I haven't been wearing makeup because I don't like to work out in makeup. So this is my first time actually doing a face of makeup, I'd say, in at least 2 months. So it's good. It's good to try again. Next I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to do them with this Gimme brow. The packaging is rubbed off so you can't really see what it says, but it's just a tinted eyebrow gel. And I'm actually not that good at using this, so I always have to clean it up after. But there are little fibers in there that make your eyebrows look like more kind of lush. As you can see, it still looks natural, and I prefer natural eyebrows on everyone, not just me. Next I'm going to do some concealer, and I'm using the Glossier Stretch Concealer. This is a very natural looking concealer. And I'm going to put it on my under eyes and then also on my pimples on my chin. I really have not been using concealer and foundation, even when I do wear makeup to the gym. I've not been doing any sort of face makeup. I don't mind wearing lipstick to work out, but I definitely don't like wearing concealer, blush, all that. And I'm just going to do some here as well. I'm going to set my concealer with some MAC Mineralize Skinfinish. This is my favorite powder. Oops. It's in the shade medium. So I'm really excited just to drink some beers, maybe take some photos. Meeting someone new is always exciting, and it's something that I don't think any of us have really been able to do recently, so. I accidentally forgot to put my blush on before my powder, but I've noticed with this liquid blush, it doesn't even matter. I can put it on top of powder and it's fine. So I'm going to do that. I'm using the Glossier Cloud Paint, and it's in the shade Puff. And I actually wish I got a darker shade of this. It's a little bit light for me, so I really put on a lot, but I still like it. I just wish I had gotten one of the darker shades, but I was kind of scared of them. So I got I think this is the lightest shade. And I thought I'm pale, but I actually do self-tan. Well, I self-tan my face, I think you can maybe tell. I put on so much, and so you can see it, but if I only put on a dot like you're supposed to, you wouldn't. So, and I find that throughout the day, you really can't see it. Even if you give this 5 minutes, it's going to blend into my skin, and you won't even be able to tell I'm wearing blush, which is the vibe of Glossier. You're not really supposed to be able to tell that you're wearing makeup. So that is the point of it, and it does do a good job of that, so. I'm a little bit scared. I was going to do eyeshadow, but I'm a little bit scared because my eyes have been very itchy because of allergies. So I might just do black eyeliner, which I haven't done in about 2 months, right? Because I don't like wearing dark eyeliner or putting that much effort into my makeup just to go to the gym. So I haven't actually done eyeliner in months. I just do mascara these days. So I'm kind of excited to put on some eyeliner again. And I'm using a pencil that I got in an Ipsy bag. It's from Aracelli, which I don't think is a large brand, but it's actually a pretty good eyeliner, so I'm going to use this one. And I think I'm going to try to do a pretty thick line. Okay, so my eyeliner is done. I think it's somewhat even. I did my best with it. Again, it's been a long time since I've done eyeliner, And I find I am a little bit better with the liquid eyeliner, but because I'm not wearing eyeliner as often, I find I'm not getting my money out of liquid eyeliners. Like, they're drying up before I can even use them. So lately I've just been using pencils. And this one is very black, so I do like that. And it just takes a little bit more work for me to make it look nice with a pencil eyeliner. I also have this brown metallic pencil eyeliner that I really like to use for like a natural look. At the beginning of the isolation period, I was using this every day with a red lipstick, and I really loved that. But today I'm actually going to use it under my eyes. Like that, to give a little bit of extra definition to my eyelashes. Now I'm going to put a little bit of mascara, and I've just noticed that this eye is just a little bit swollen from allergies and probably like scratching it last night. By the way, I'm using the Fenty Beauty mascara. I don't actually like it. I find sometimes it itches my eyes and it doesn't look that good. But I don't have a new mascara, so I'm gonna just use this one. I'm on a no buy, so I'm trying not to buy any makeup. And unfortunately I need a new mascara, so I'm just making it work with this one for now. One thing I do have to say for this mascara is that it does come off easily. I hate when mascaras require you to use like some sort of heavy duty oil to get them off, because yeah, my eyes are just like super irritated. So if I have to like scratch the mascara off my eyelids, like I'm good. I don't really want that. I just want my mascara to last for the day. I don't want it to last through the apocalypse. So this is what the mascara looks like after about like 14 coats. And as you can see, it really isn't doing that much. Like, it looks okay, but I have CoverGirl mascaras that look better than this. Or well, I have had in the past CoverGirl mascaras that look better than this. Right now I don't have any other mascaras, which is why I'm stuck with this one. You know, I'm really liking the way that this looks without highlighter. My skin is already shiny from Vaseline that I put on earlier. So I think I'm going to just put on a little bit of bronzer, but use it as contour. And I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm just going to put a little bit like here to kind of make my face look thinner, I guess. So I'll do like the jawline and then right here. Lastly, I'm going to put on some lipstick. Well, not lastly, I'm also going to do my hair. But I'm going to put on some lipstick, and this is Half Caked Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade Low Key. I also got this in an Ipsy bag. I posted about how this was my favorite lipstick during the winter, or like February-ish. And a lot of people on Instagram commented how they got this and they hate it, and I know why. It's because it's actually kind of difficult to use. If you just take it like directly from the thing, it's super goopy and it's gonna look terrible. Like it's very goopy even on the wand. So I never directly put it from this onto my lips. I always put it onto a finger first, and then you have to use a very small amount. And then I just blend it out onto my lips. and that's how I put it on. And as you can see, it's very natural. On me, it comes out as a red lip, but more low-key, which is exactly what it's called. So I really love that about it. It's like a natural, wearable red lipstick that looks like you're not trying too hard. So now I'm going to do my hair because obviously this does not look that good. I am quite happy with my makeup, so I'm actually going to put on some setting spray that I forgot that I had. And this is the Bare Minerals Dew Mist. I got this in a Christmas set, so it's like kind of a sparkly setting spray. When else am I going to use this, you know? And this makeup does have to last at least maybe 5 to 6 hours, so this is probably the time. How much setting spray do people put on? Oh yeah, wow, look how much more shiny that made me. Yeah. I am going to attempt to curl my hair, and that's something that I haven't done in a very, very long time, so it might go badly. I'm going to start by using a protecting leave-in conditioner. I've had this for a while, but it's like specifically for using hot tools, so, and I almost never do that. So this is actually my first time trying this out. It smells great. It smells like a childhood shampoo. And I'm going to focus towards the ends because I don't think I'm going to curl all the way to the top of my head. I'm going to do like tight curls and then try to brush them out. And then I'm also going to use this Batiste Waterless Cleansing Foam. It's a dry shampoo that is a foam, and it doesn't work at all, but it smells nice. It smells great, so I'm using it, but it does not like clear any oil at all. Actually, I find it can sometimes make my hair look like even more unwashed. So it does not do what it's supposed to do. I guess you'll see, because my hair looks like this right now. It's kind of fun that it's a foam though. And like I said, it smells great. I've said this before, that this dry shampoo doesn't work, and somebody was commenting, oh, maybe it's because you use too much. And nope, I've tried using less, I've tried using more, I've tried pretty much everything, and it just doesn't work. But it smells nice. I love the regular Batiste. Like, I pretty much religiously buy the regular Batiste. It's the best dry shampoo in my opinion. So I was really excited to try this, and I don't know, it's missing the stuff that makes your hair not look greasy. Like, they've just given us a mousse, you know? Where's the powder stuff, you know? So here you can see the after, and you tell me if you see a difference, because I never did. I think my wand is hot enough to start using. I have a Revlon one that I bought on Amazon when I knew absolutely nothing about curlers. So when I saw all of the like inches on there, I bought the smallest one, but actually I should have bought the biggest one because I don't actually want super tight curls, and this is so thin that it creates these like super tight ones. And that's not what I wanted at all, so I just didn't know anything about curling irons, and I just bought the first one I saw. So whoops, but I'm going to try to make it work by brushing out the curls afterwards. So yeah. This is how tight the curls are. so my hair is all curled, and this is obviously not what I want it to look like. And I'm actually not sure what to do. Like, do I shake it out first and then hairspray it? Or do you hairspray it and then shake it out? Maybe I'll just try shaking it out with my fingers. And then I'll brush it out with a comb if I don't like how it looks. It honestly looks very, like, kind of old style with this red lipstick. Like, doesn't it look kind of 50s or 40s or something? Okay, I'm gonna brush out the curls after all and see if I can get a more natural look. So unfortunately, I think one side looks nice and the other side is just a total mess. And at this point, it's not getting any better. I'm just really bad at doing hair and I give up. So I'm just gonna hairspray it and then call it a day. Yeah, this is why I just don't ever do anything with my hair, because it's just like a nightmare. Yeah, I'm gonna hairspray it anyway. Why not? So here is my final look, and my hair is a bit weird, but I did my best and I hope she likes me and my weird hair. I'm really excited to go and meet a new person. So check out my other two channels. One is called Campfire Women and it's Campfire Cooking, and the other new channel is my fitness related content. So please check out both channels, and thank you so much for watching.